Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. And also, please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, and also if you are interested in private readings, lahat po ng information nasa description at pinned comment, paki-check na lang. Okay, Cancer, let's see your March energies. Okay, South Node, which is in your past. You have Venus energy, beloved, and Mars in action. Okay, so possible na meron kayong kailangang ayusin na connection from your past, or maaring meron kayong maaalala from your past na pwedeng mag-create ng bagong idea sa inyo on how to navigate your future. 'Di ba? Maaring maaalala mo yung iyong mga plano nung nakaraan na hindi mo itinuloy for some reasons, at ngayong March kino-consider mo na gawin. Okay? Pwedeng meron kayong plano na mag-abroad, pero yung iba na in love, hindi kayo natuloy. Kaya lang, yung iba, hindi nag-work yung relationship, so maaring ngayon, kino-consider nyo na ulit na mag-abroad. Yung mga ganon. Mga plano nyo before na hindi natuloy kasi may nagbago. And then ngayon, yung goal ninyo, yung plans ninyo, nagbago rin ulit. Babalikan nyo yung past. Oo. And with Venus energy here, I think you are pumped up pagdating sa money making, no? Venus is the planet of money, also abundance, planet of love. So I think ngayon, this is about loving yourself, taking care of yourself, and focusing on kung ano yung pwede mo pang gawin, to improve your life for the better. So let's see what else. You have Root. Oh, Root is your family life, your home life. Okay? Yung iyong pinanggalingan. Oo. So yung iba sa inyo, may past nga rito. So yung iba pwedeng meron kayong babalikan from the past. Pwedeng yung inyong hometown or family na babalikan mo in the past. And this is also about being more productive, no? So, ngayong March, marami kang magagawa. Kasi very productive ka ngayon. Marami kang mga maa-accomplish. You also have the energy ng Owl. Owl is about clarity, wisdom. So, meron kang sapat na kaalaman, karunungan, no? To do whatever you want to do, no? Sa mga plano mo. And some of you, pwedeng may pag-aaral din kayo na gagawin. Magdadagdag kayo ng knowledge to improve your life. And your instinct, your intuition is really on point ngayon. Super lakas. Okay, let's see your overall energy. Ooh, 3 of Swords. Okay. And then the King of Wands. So, pagdating ng March, maaring merong breakup, separation, or disappointment sa isang tao. Okay? Na pwedeng, sasarilinin nyo yung pain, hindi nyo ipapaalam sa iba. Pero pagdating sa actions ninyo, mapapansin nila that you are hurting. Maaring magiging very defensive ka sa ikikilos mo. Alam mo yung tipong parang laging galit. Ganon. Sabi nga nila, hurt people, hurt people. So, yun nga. If nakaka-resonate ka rito, just in case na someone hurt you, no, might hurt you, maging aware ka sa sarili mo na may potential din na makasakit ka rin ng iba dahil nasasaktan ka. Okay? Oo. So, maaring maka-deal mo ang isang fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, na parang walang sense of commitment. Oo. Pwede rin ito yung energy ng past mo na hanggang March, dala-dala mo pa rin yung energy ng past na kailangan mo nang i-let go, kailangan mo nang mag-move on or move forward. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Cancer? 8 of Pentacles. So, pagdating sa focus sa trabaho, medyo na-challenge kayo dyan. Oo. Maaring madali kayong madistract sa nangyayari sa paligid nyo. Para kasing may escape dito Parang may gusto kayong takasan na sitwasyon or feelings. Kaya, dinidistract nyo yung sarili nyo. Kaya lang, may naapektuhan yung inyong productivity. Kaya nga ngayon, sabi, ngayong March, kayo daw ay magiging productive. So, maaring ito ay ma-overcome nyo yung challenge na yan kung paano mas maging productive. You also have the High Priestess. May mga pagkakataon na minsan kahit sa sarili nyo, parang hindi na rin kayo masyadong nagtitiwala sa decision making nyo, lalo na kung yung mga naging decision nyo in the past hindi nag-work, nag-fail, diba? So, always believe in yourself. And lagi ka ring mag-a-ask ka ng guidance, no? From the universe, from God, ano man yung belief system mo, but always ask for guidance kasi hindi ka naman pababayaan Let's see this is your opportunity. 8 of Cups, meron kang opportunity to finally find yung path na best for you. Oo, kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo, feeling nyo hindi kayo belong sa isang situation. So ngayon, you have the opportunity to leave something behind. The Tower. Ako, Cancer, medyo makabagdamdamin ang March for you. Challenging siya in a way kasi pwedeng maging very emotional ka rito. Pero I think this is best for you. Oo, kasi opportunity mo to Opportunity mo yan to grow. So, isa sa gagawin mo is to walk away from a situation, a relationship, a job, a career. So, your opportunity is the blessing is the Page of Swords, learning. Meron kang blessing na may matutunan pa. Maaring magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na makapag-aral ulit, no? So, that's a blessing. New learnings. Wow, you have the King of Pentacles energy. This is the feminine version. This is, pagiging magaling mag-manifest. Oo. Meron kang maima-manifest sa career mo ngayong March. It will happen. Talagang, whatever this is, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, bahay, lupa. Ito yung pagkakaroon ng Midas touch. Oo. So, I think kailangan mo lang merong i-let go Kasi hanggat hindi mo nila-let go yan, na something na kailangan mo nang palayain, mahihirapan ka na mag-open up sa bagong opportunity sa'yo. Okay? So, let's see what else. You are going to take a risk ngayong March. Susugal ka sa isang bagay, sa isang sitwasyon. You are reclaiming your power. Yes. Oo. So, I think, merong person na magdi-disappoint sa'yo, na parang feeling mo ay humiliating, no? Parang nakakahiya dahil din-disappoint ka niya. Pero, hindi mo hayaan na dalhin niyang pain na yan, no? At ikaw you are going to reclaim your power. Diba? Yung lakas mo. And then, magte-take ka ng risk. Pwedeng take ng risk sa bagong relationship, sa decision mo, sa career mo. Okay? And blessings are going to come. Okay? With the King of Pentacles energy, especially sa career to. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!